Now we are discussing about Pythagorean triplets of chapter 6. So 3 square plus 4 square, there are two numbers whose square we are doing, and then after doing square we are taking their addition. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16. So 9 plus 16 it is 25, and 25 is square of 5. So here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So the collection of numbers 3, 4 and 5 is known as Pythagorean triplet, and 6, 8, 10 is also a Pythagorean triplet. Why? The reason is here 6 square plus 8 square. So 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 it is 100, which is square of 10. So 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So it is a Pythagorean triplet. There are two types of Pythagorean triplets at here. 5 square plus 12 square. So 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. So 25 plus 144 it is 169. It is a square of 13. So the number 5, 12, 13 is also a one type of Pythagorean triplet. So the rules is that for Pythagorean triplet, if the sum means plus, if the sum of the square of two numbers, sum of the square of two numbers is equal to the square of third number. If there are three numbers in Pythagorean triplet. Triplet, that means three numbers. What is the meaning of triplet? Triplet means three numbers. So the numbers, first you square two numbers, take the square of two numbers, then take addition, you will get the square of third number. So that's a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, now this is the standard form for any natural number. This is the rule. This is the rule for any natural number. Natural number. What is natural number? Natural number, that means all positive integers. Natural number means all positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. The number m must be greater than 1. The number m must be greater than 1 in this formula. Okay. So 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Okay. 2m square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. That means 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplet. 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now here we are discussing about example 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8. So suppose 2m is equal to 8. Here 8 is the value of 2m, where m is equal to 8. 2 is in multiply. 2 is in multiply. It will be in the denominator. 2 4s are 8. So m is equal to 4. M is equal to 4. The second number is m square minus 1. One member is 2m, second number is m square minus 1. Here m is equal to 4. The square minus 1. Okay. 4 square, it is 16 minus 1. So 16 minus 1 is 15. The third number is m square plus 1. So m is equal to 4 square plus 1. 4 square is 16 plus 1. It is 17. So 2m is 8. M square minus 1 is 15. And m square plus 1 is 17. So what was the rules? 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These three numbers are Pythagorean triplet. So the answer of these is 8, 15 and 17. So 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. In which the smallest member is 8. Smallest member is 8. Now example number 3. Find a Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 12. Find a Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 12. So again same method. Suppose 2m is equal to 12. So m is equal to 12. 2 is in multiply. Now it will be in the denominator. 2 6 are 12. So value of m is 6. Therefore value of m is 6. If you write something before equal to sign, you must do this therefore sign. Okay. Now the second number is m square minus 1. So m is 6. Here m is 6. Whose square minus 1. 6 square is 36. 6 6 are 36 minus 1. So it is 35. The third number is m square plus 1, where value of m is 6 square plus 1. 6 square is 36 plus 1. So 36 plus 1 is 37. So one member is 2m, that is 12. Second member is m square minus 1, which is 35. And the third member is m square plus 1, which is 37. So 12, 35, 37 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now we are doing question number 2. Okay. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. Okay. This is the exercise number 6.2 and question 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6, 14, 16, 18. There are 4 sums given. Okay. So solution for 1. Here the value is 6. One member is 6. So suppose here 2n is equal to 6. You can take here n or m. You can take here 2m or 2n. You can take anything. Okay. Both are correct. So suppose 2m. Here we are taking m. 2m is equal to 6. So 2 will be in the denominator of 6. So 6 divided by 2, it is 3. So m is equal to 3. Okay. Now m square minus 1. Here the value of m is 3. So 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9 minus 1. It is 8. Third member is m square plus 1. Here m is equal to 3. So 3 square plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1, it is 10. So 6 which is 2m. M square minus 1 is 8. M square plus 1 is 10. So the required Pythagorean triplet is 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now the second question is for 14. One member of Pythagorean triplet is 14. We want to find out the remaining two members of Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Suppose 14 is equal to 2m. Okay. So 2 will be in the denominator of 14. So 14 divided by 2, it will be 7. So m is equal to 7. So second member is m square minus 1. So m is equal to 7. So here 7 square minus 1. 7 square, it is 49 minus 1. So 49 minus 1 is 48. Third member is m square plus 1. So the value of m is 7. So 7 square plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1, which is 50. So the value of 2m is 14. Value of m square minus 1 is 48. Value of m square plus 1 is 50. So 14, 48, 50 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now the third question is of one member is 16. One member is 16. We want to find out Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So suppose 16 is equal to 2m. 2 will be in the denominator of 16. 16 divided by 2, it is 8. So m is equal to 8. Now m square minus 1. Here the value of m is 8. So 8 square minus 1. So 8 square, it is 64 minus 1, it is 63. Now m square plus 1 is third member. M is equal to 8. So 8 square plus 1. 8 square is 64 plus 1 is 65. So one member is 2n, which is 16. Second member is n square minus 1, which is 63. Third member is m square plus 1, which is 65. So 16, 63, 65 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now here it is 18. One member is 18. Okay, we want to find out Pythagorean triplet. Suppose the value of 18 is equal to 2m. 2 is in multiply. It will be in the denominator of 18. So 18 divided by 2, it is 9. Now m square minus 1. M is equal to 9. So 9 square minus 1. 9 square is 81. Minus 1, it is 80. M square plus 1. M is equal to 9 square plus 1. So 9 square is 81. Plus 1 is 82. So one member is 2n, which is 18. Second member is m square minus 1, which is 80. Third member is n square plus 1, which is 82. Okay. So our Pythagorean triplet is 18, 80 and 82. Okay.